Good afternoon. Welcome to Midcap Radar. I am Reema Tendulkar. With me is Sonal Bhutra, and these are the top stories at 1:30 p.m. this Friday. The Nifty trades flat after giving up some early gains after a steady opening as global markets remain weak. IT, healthcare lose ground. Metals and energy buck the trend.
Amara Raja, SKF and CRM Silk Mills surge post-earnings. Amara Raja and SKF get a margin boost. CRM Silks fires up after a stellar Q2. The textile maker has also declared a 200% dividend.
Ajanta Pharma slumps after earnings disappoint. Margins at a multi-quarter low and weakness in international business weigh on the second quarter's performance.
The PSU Bank pact continues to gain. UCO Bank jumps after a strong Q2 show with a profit number at a multi-year high. The management tells CNBC-TV18 the lender expects 17% loan growth in FY23 on a year-on-year basis. All right, those are the top headlines that we are tracking on Midcap Radar today. For the markets, absolutely flat. Some positive bias on the Nifty. That one is up 7 points, but just consolidating at that 18,060 mark. We have Bank Nifty, which is under some pressure, so that index is down 0.3%. And Midcap's largely in line with what the banking index is doing. So very quiet today, Reema. Despite the big fall that we saw in the US markets.
You know, Wall Street has ended in the red every single day this week, right? Yes. Every single day. And despite that, the Indian markets are up 1.5%. So that just gives you an indication of India's resilience. But it's also going to be an earnings-heavy day today as well as tomorrow, right? So today we're awaiting numbers from Titan, TVS Motors, Cipla, Britannia, Indigo, Escorts. And on Saturday, we've got State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda. So I guess there is a bit of a wait-and-watch approach, right?
Yes, definitely. So we'll do one thing in that wait-and-watch approach. We'll look at the technicals of the markets and get in Mr. Hemen Kapadia of KRchoksey Securities. Hemen, good afternoon. Thanks a lot for joining us. Well, consolidating at these levels and bucking the trend as far as global markets are concerned, what is the chart telling you?
A very good afternoon to you, Sonal. Thank you for having me. Couple of things, like you said, I think Reema also mentioned, tremendous resilience. Dow Jones has been all over the place, so has Nasdaq, and we've held firm. Now, having said that, if you look at the Bank Nifty, there's an 8th trading session today, Sonal, and okay, we've been range bound. We have corrected. It's not that we haven't, but in a range between 40,800 and 41,700. So we've been in this range. We've had a brilliant run up, and the consolidation has been sideways, not downwards. So the undercurrent remains solid. The VIX is sub 16, I think, which means that I don't think we're going to expect a big move either on the downside or on the upside. But a sub 16 VIX is a big relief for bulls. So the setup is fine. Like you mentioned, metals are good. IT is oversold. Cement is doing fine. The stocks, PSU basket, rail stocks. So it's all over the place. Looks good. But the market per se, Nifty doesn't seem to be in a mood to go anywhere. We need to take out 18,200, and for the Bank Nifty, it's 14,767 to be precise. Once that gets taken out, I think it would provide the fillip to the Nifty to take a serious crack at all-time high. Reliance is also placed nice because the weightage of Reliance and the mood sentiment for the market is huge.
Okay, and in that case, Hemen, what would your individual technical picks be?
Yeah, a few stocks which stand out. Firstly, a buy on IRCTC. Consolidation, we're on the verge of breaking out about 755. Verge, I'm saying because weekly chart, we haven't closed yet today. So buy IRCTC at 755, stop loss 735, target 795. It's a modest trading target, I believe. Over a slightly longer term, it will be comfortably overshot. The second stock is a buy on OFSS, a rounding bottom on the daily chart. Mechanical indicators have signaled a buy after oversold positive divergence and now a crossover buy. So one can buy OFSS at 2980, stop loss 2930, target 3080. And lastly, Hindalco. I think the metal pack is buzzing. Hindalco is breaking out. The level was 413 in terms of a mini breakout. The maxi breakout is at 445. So one can buy Hindalco at 422, stop loss 410, target 446. Above 446, we'd see at least another 25 rupees on the upside.
Thank you very much, Hemen, for that. Have a good weekend. Let's invite Vivek as well on